So I remember before all this started, when I was actually a little kid, I was a big fan of Dalai Lama. I was actually, following all his social media posts, all his Twitter posts, all his other, Instagram posts and Facebook posts on my phone, because I think his message is so pure and is welcoming and open. His message is to open your arm and, welcome everyone in the world. And his main goal is to bring love, bring peace, and bring compassion in this world. If every world leader is follow his message, we will not have any kind of war in our time right now. All he cares about education, all he cares about empathy, sympathy, all he cares about, loving each other, loving your neighbors, and go out there and ask yourself one question. What am I doing today to make this world better together? That's the key word, together. I hope after the pandemic, it will be an honor for me to go visit His Holiness in India and actually shake his hand and give him actually one of my jersey as a gift. I'm not sure if it is disrespectful to give His Holiness a gift, but I would love to, if it's okay, I would love to give him one of my freedom jersey to him. But actually there is a big Tibetan community in Boston, and I want to say they are definitely one of the most warm and kind people I have met. And I think they have my favorite food called moma. And I remember first time going to the cultural center, they actually give me some moma. They told me that you have to eat it with your hands. And they have this like spicy sauce next to it. And it became my favorite food. And they actually give me 4 to-go boxes to take it home. But no, they're definitely one of the most nicest people. And for sure, I would love to have a conversation with His Holiness.